Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Tangle in Maine, where I'm your host Rigier Wulwin. I got a question for you guys. Is it hot outside? Is it really hot? Of course it is. It's hot as hell. And if you got a long mane, long hair, and you got a hard hat under, you're under that hard hat with your long hair, under that sun, you feel the heat right here. Oh, it's killer. I know. I had a couple of coworkers, a while ago, cut their hair because it was getting too hot under the hard hat. And I should have done this video a long time ago, but no worries, I got you right now. Here, what you need is a do-rag. Get yourself a do-rag. At least, nice, long tail, because you'll need it to make a bun in the back. And here, I'll show you. First of all, first step, get your hair in a bun like this, right to your neck, that area. Get your bun down to your neck, right? Then what you're going to do is, you're going to take your do-rag, right? You're going to put it on, like so, right? Already have the knot locked in, right? It's already measured. I already got it, and then you don't need to stop the circulation on your brain, bro. Just, don't do it so tight, I have breathing spaces just to protect you, right? And then what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take the tail of the do-rag, right? And this is the bun, and then you're gonna put one side of the tail right here, and then the other side you're gonna put it, and then the end, you're gonna wrap it up. You'll see it right now, look. You're gonna take like this, right? You're going to take one end, you're going to put it on the other end, you're going to put it over. And then whatever's left, you just wrap it around and hook it up like that. Double hook it up. Boom. There you go. What this does, it will keep your head hydrated, it will keep you cool. Trust me, I know. I never wear a hard hat without it. It will keep you cool. Plus, it will keep your hair clean from the dust particles of whatever you're surrounded by on a construction site. I'm telling you, bro. Just wash your hair. You don't want to keep washing your hair every day or every, 2 days. No. Keep your hair clean and ready. Your hair is protected from all that crap. And then another tip, once you have your hard hat, put something like this. Get a piece of rope or something. I got this from a mask, for those COVID masks. I just rip one off and, it stretches. And I use this, why? Because if I put this with the do-rag is so slick, it's slick, that it will just come off. If you have your hard hat like this, have my hard hat. And if you're 100 feet in the air, that hard hat falls down, that's it. Unless you got this chin strap. But that's the trick right here. You're going to take it right here and you're going to put the bun right there. Check it out. Got it? Boom. Now, if you look down, it doesn't fall. See? Stays there. So that's the trick that I got for you guys. So stay cool in this extreme heat. Trust me, I know. I'm passing through it too. So anyways, thank you for the support. Thank you. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It will help the channel. It will help me grow the channel to give you some to bring you some tips on how, hit hair tips. And probably I will throw in some beard tips as well. Who knows? So thank you for watching and take care. See you in the next one.